Hello everyone, my name is Kodar Singh, and in this video I will be talking about which career path to take in tech. So obviously we know that tech is booming and it's gonna be same in coming future because everything is coming online on cloud. But when it comes to tech, there are a lot of things, and I want to break down each and every path which you can take in tech itself. So I'm gonna break down things in five parts, but before that, I would love to tell you guys, but if you guys want to have one-to-one discussion with me and want to take one-to-one guidance, you want help with assignments, your career, your job, then these are some of the links in which I offer you 15 minutes to 60 minutes of guidance on one-to-one sessions. So please feel free to choose these links. The links would be in the description below. And I really want to help you guys to be successful in your life. So if you don't want to pay up, it's okay. You can take a 15 minutes free one, which is at the top right over here. And I would love to connect with you and see where we can go from there. So tech career paths, many, but all are related. So each and everything in the tech which you see, which you learn, no matter you're talking about front end, back end, data science, DevOps, cybersecurity, or hacking, they all are connected. They all run on bits and bytes, zeros and ones. So right now, you need to decide which one to take up and excel that one because front end in itself is a whole kind of universe. Like it's huge. Similarly with backend, data science, DevOps, and cybersecurity. So these are the five key broad areas in tech you would usually find, and there are a lot of jobs in this one. But there are many more if you want to split those things like IoT and all those things. But we will not talk about in this one. If you want to talk about them, then do write in comments. I'll make a specific video on that one or on any of the topics from this list. So coming to the front end. So what is front end? So whatever you are seeing right now, this is a front end. So this is what developers love to do. So if you are really passionate about design and how aesthetics of the a website, apps, user experience. So you should definitely choose front end. So technologies you need to learn to be a front end developer is like from you have to have basic knowledge of like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can build it over time, and then you should in terms of advanced. Then there are front end frameworks which are used by big companies. Like React is being used and developed by Facebook. Angular is used and developed by Google. Vue is an open source, but it is gaining popularity, and there are many more frameworks. In backend, so when it comes to what is backend, so backend is basically logic building. So I've given an example as well. So when you transfer money to your friend, the backend will check if you have enough money in your bank account to send to your friend. If you have the money in your bank account, then you can send that money to your friend. If you don't have the money, then it's going to send you an error. So all the logic, if you're very strong with logic, your analytic mind is super nice, and you're very good at problem solving. You should definitely check out backend and try those things. So technologies to learn as a backend developer is like you can learn Node.js with Express, Python with Django or Flask, Java with Spring Boot, C Sharp, and PHP. But a very popular framework is library, you can say, is Express.js with Node. It is very popular and it is used by many of the new companies and startups, and very easy to find a job in this one. So you want to be a data scientist. So who are data scientists? So people who are actually processing data are the people called data scientists. So what do I mean by processing? So processing is if you want to make a prediction or you want to make a decision according to the data which you have collected, then you need to process the data in such a way that you can read things. So whatever you see in Excel files in big companies, what they're actually doing is data processing. So to data scientist is like the topmost position. You start with business analyst, data engineer, then data scientist. So data scientists are basically working with machine learning and AI. Data engineers are basically building with ETL pipelines, And data analysts are usually working with Excel files and SQL queries to actually give out some of the results, some of the insights from the data. Like, okay, in this territory of this state, we are getting more sales for this product. So let's spend more money into marketing for that particular product in this particular state. So these kind of insights. So what do you need to be a data scientist is you should definitely have a Python skill, R, and SQL. And then there are many more like Tableau, Power BI. There are many more tools which you can do. You can learn. I would add those things uh, into the slides as well. So, what is DevOps? The fourth one is DevOps. So DevOps is actually a person who would actually deploy your code. So whatever you're writing as a data scientist, as a front-end engineer or a back-end engineer, the dev you will give your hand over your code to a DevOps team, and DevOps team will go to the servers, purchase the servers, and deploy your code on the servers and make it public to the users to use. So let's suppose you're working in a company and you write a piece of code and it's a website. So on that website, it says, "Hi, my name is Coder Singh." Okay, you have written the code. Now it's running on your laptop or your PC. Now what are you going to do with it? You need to make it public. So you give that piece of code to your DevOps team, and that DevOps team is gonna make it public to the users. So DevOps people should definitely know about cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, GCP. Then there are a lot of DevOps tool as well, like Jenkins, Circle CI, Kubernetes, Docker, all those things. But a lot of new companies are actually asking for cloud knowledge as well. That's why I've written AWS, Azure, and GCP. So cybersecurity, with everything coming online, this become very important for more than ever before to protect our customers or users of the app. So what do I mean by protect? So like whatever data we are storing on users' behalf or our customers' behalf, that data is private data which belongs to the user. So if the data is being compromised on our servers, then it's our responsibility to pay our customer in some amount if we have not taken enough measures. So cybersecurity department would uh, take care of the systems for not being hacked by any black hat hacker or any hacker with bad intentions. So what do you need to become a cybersecurity expert is like you need to know Kali Linux tools, Python, some shell scripting, and bash scripting. And when I talk about Kali Linux tools, Kali Linux is an operating system which comes up like hundreds of tools and hundreds of tools you can download from the web as well. And it's going to help you to test your applications and make sure they're not hackable. So whatever you pick, my only thing is whatever you pick, master it and run after knowledge. Success will run after you. So I really hope guys really like this video. If you have anything, do let me know in the comments. I would be very much happy to help you guys and would love to know what you think about this video. And if there's anything missing or you would want me to add more content, then do let me know. Thank you.